Process of registration of Microfinance Company as NBFC. As there are two ways to start a microfinance company, the process of setting up an NBFC or a Section 8 company varies significantly. For setting up microfinance as NBFC, following are the steps-wise process. Number 1. Register a company. The first step is to set up a private limited or public limited company by filing a Spice Plus application with the ROC. We have a full-fledged service to assist you in incorporating a company in India. Number 2. Ensure capital adequacy. The minimum of ₹5 crores is required as the net owned funds in the applicant company. Hence, the second step is to raise capital to more than 5 crore rupees. Number 3. Deposit the capital. After the paid-up capital of more than 5 crore is received in the company, the same should be converted as a fixed deposit in a scheduled bank and obtain a no-lien certificate from the banker. Number 4. Apply for license. The last step is to make an online application to RBI with all certified documents as required. After that, the hard copy of the application needs to be submitted to the regional office of the RBI.